Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Discord voice messages. Discord doesn't provide a built-in option to save voice messages directly, but with the right steps, you can still download and keep them safely on your device. Whether you're trying to save an important message for later, keep a backup of your conversations, or simply want offline access to a voice note, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Discord in a web browser and navigate to the voice message you want to download. Once you're there, look for the option to open the developer tools. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows or Command+Option+I on Mac. If the shortcut doesn't work, you can also find developer tools in your browser menu. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click inside the developer tools panel and press Ctrl+F to open the search box. Type in voice message.og and hit enter. You'll see the URL of the voice message highlighted in the code. Double-click on it and copy the link using Ctrl+C. This URL is the direct link to your voice message. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you copy the full URL exactly as it appears and open it in a new browser tab. Doing this beforehand will prevent any errors when downloading. Once you've copied the URL, open a new browser tab and paste it in. Press enter, and you should see your voice message appear with an option to play it. Right-click on the audio player and select Save Audio As to download the voice message to your computer. After that, you can play it anytime without needing Discord. It's also a good idea to organize your downloads in a folder so you can easily find them later. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to download any Discord voice message easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want to save their messages. Why not make someone's day easier?